Hi, this is Dustin with Diesel Laptops. Today I want to talk about our new service, the Diesel Laptops LTE Network. We've paired up with one of the major cell phone companies to give you internet access anywhere in the country. So you get unlimited data, access to internet anywhere you're at. This is especially helpful for anyone working on off-road equipment or working on equipment on the side of the road. If you have to change parameters on certain software, you have to be on the internet to change the parameters. You'll be able to do that without using a hotspot or a Wi-Fi connection. All right, so you can see that we have no internet connection down here and no available connections. So I'm going to go ahead and show you right here, diesellaptops.com. We're not getting any internet connection. All you have to do is come up to this air card watcher, double click to open it up, and then it's going to pick the best connection for you. It's going to search for all the different connections and find the best one for you. All you have to do is click connect, and now you can see we're connected to the network. We'll minimize this and go ahead and pull that website back up. There, now you can see we have internet connection. The good thing about this network is it's simple to use and easy to connect. We've also got monthly and yearly subscriptions, so you don't have to subscribe to a long contract. And you can find more info about the LTE network on our blog at blog.diesellaptops.com. Thank you for watching.